In this video we are going to talk about 10 skin habits that make you look older. As we get older, our skin naturally changes. Over time, it becomes rougher and more fragile, and it sags, perhaps even sooner for certain people. We first observe small lines as elastin or elastic tissue is gradually lost. However, if left untreated, a minor crease will eventually develop into a deep wrinkle. What we generally see is only the tip of the iceberg, as there is a continuous decline of structures that can reach the surface beneath it all. Yes, as we age, changes beneath the skin become visible. Plumpness is reduced by fat loss in places such as the cheeks, temples, nose, chin, and around the eyes. Bony structures, particularly in the nose, are accentuated by cartilage loss. Number 10. Eating disorders. Unhealthy eating habits can eventually show up on your skin. If you want to have beautiful and youthful-looking skin, avoid fatty foods, coffee, and even sugary drinks. Junk foods can also overload your system with free radicals, those pesky nasties that expedite the aging process. A nutritious diet can be a genuine challenge of patience and self-control, but it is not only good for your weight, but also for your skin. Number 9. Sedentary behavior. Although you may appear to be a harmless couch potato, you may be putting your health at risk. Sedentary women were found to be 8 years older biologically in a recent study of women. It shows a considerable age difference between people who exercise and those who do nothing. A sedentary lifestyle causes cells to age faster, which means that every day you don't exercise, you're making your skin look older. Experts studied changes in DNA structure, especially telomeres, which shorten as people age. This can lead to cancer, heart disease, and diabetes, among other things. Number 8. Sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation has been shown to hasten the aging process. Even an all-nighter can give you a taste of what your skin will go through if you keep going. The answer, however, is not simply in receiving a sufficient amount of sleep, but also in the quality of that sleep. Sleepers with poor quality sleep had more indicators of intrinsic skin aging, such as fine wrinkles and elasticity loss. Their skin barrier function is compromised, which means that their skin recovers 30% slower than those who sleep well. They also have a lower level of pleasure with their appearance. As a result, beauty rest is not a myth, because the stress-induced changes brought on by a lack of good quality sleep can have a negative impact on your facial tissues. Number 7. Position for sleeping. During sleep, mechanical compression can distort the skin and cause sleep wrinkles to appear. When you sleep in a lateral or prone posture, stress forces are visible on your face. Plastic surgeons saw distinct facial wrinkles when closely inspecting their patients' faces in a research. Their sleeping position was found to be the source of these problems after a thorough examination. It was also discovered that these lines can play a role in the development of wrinkles. Number 6. Use of electronic devices on a regular basis. This one can be difficult to dismiss, especially when we do so much of our work online or on our mobile devices. High-energy visible, HEV, light emitted from your phone, tablet, or computer screen is causing harm to the skin, which can lead to accelerated aging, according to dermatologists. The HEV, or blue light, emitted by your electronic gadget penetrates deeper into the layers of the skin than the sun's UV rays, according to Japanese research. It can cause your skin barrier to take longer to recover from exposure to the environment, as well as more pronounced hyperpigmentation. Can you fathom the damage that countless selfies and long hours slumped over your laptop have caused you? Number 5. Skin that is dehydrated and dry. Our skin might get dehydrated without our knowledge. To adequately address this, you must first understand what distinguishes it from dry skin. Because dehydration is caused by a lack of water rather than oil, even oily skin types can become dehydrated. Dehydrated skin is caused by external factors such as a poor diet, weather, and lifestyle choices, whereas dry skin is hereditary. Other factors to consider include hard water, temperature, and exposure to the sun. These conditions can deplete the water content of the skin, resulting in less pliable skin. Number 4. Uncleanliness. It's one thing to forget to remove your makeup entirely, but it's quite another to cleanse it improperly. Makeup wipes or any other acceptable makeup remover should be used to remove all makeup. After that, cleanse your face with a gentle foaming cleanser to get rid of the thick film that has built up in your pores. Because most makeup removers are oil-based, the second step ensures that any remaining oil is eliminated from the skin in order to completely unclog the pores. Number 3. Sun protection is not used. When we go to the beach, we just think about sun protection. Did you note though, that sun exposure is the most damaging to our skin? Your skin is especially vulnerable to UV damage and accelerated skin aging in a location where humidity welcomes you for the majority of the year. Number 2. Your eyes aren't getting enough love. The sensitive patch of skin around your eyes is what we're talking about. We often neglect it, oblivious to the fact that the quality of the skin in this area makes it more prone to wrinkles and discoloration. Skin wrinkles as a result of unprotected sun exposure. Squinting, whether in the sun or while working in front of a computer, can cause wrinkles around the eyes. Number 1. You're not taking care of your neck. The skin around your neck, like the skin around your eyes, is thinner than the rest of your body. We tend to focus on the face, so this area is frequently overlooked. Despite the fact that most people do not scrub, exfoliate, or even moisturize the neck area, it suffers from the same environmental damage as other exposed areas. There you have it. If you're more curious about healthy skin, please be sure to check the link in the description down below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.